Hi and welcome to Scrum Cycle session. In this session, we are going to understand how Scrum works. In our earlier sessions, we have studied different Scrum events, Scrum accountabilities, and Scrum artifacts, and we also understood the evolution of Scrum and how Scrum framework was formed. Now, in this session, we are going to understand the complete cycle of Scrum. Let us get started. In this, you can see that here we can see a business case document. Business case document is normally created by a project team, especially sponsors, in collaboration with other project team members like project manager and other seniors. They actually carry out a feasibility study, economic feasibility, to understand whether that project is beneficial for organization or not, and they finalize the business case. Once this document is finalized, the project team they come up with a value statement or charter. This charter will consist of objectives of the project and high level constraints of the project. So once project gets initiated, the product owner he has to create a product backlog document, and we know that product backlog document is an essential document which consists of list of all the requirements that we need to build in that particular product which we are creating. And product owner also comes up with a release schedule. He might come up with a release schedule for say next 4 months, and in the schedule he will be mentioning like by by end of next month which features shall we release, and by end of second month which features do we need to release. So that way the release schedule is created by product owner. And once the developers, the team is ready with their first sprint, they will be conducting a sprint planning meeting. And as part of sprint planning meeting, product owner will help the team to pull out few of the high value user stories which will be part of sprint backlog, and these user stories we will be constructing in this particular sprint. So the team will be working on sprint backlog, the user stories which they have pulled out from the product backlog. So in this sprint, the developers they work together and they decompose these user stories into tasks, and since they are self-organized, they carry out all the activities and tasks themselves. And they also conduct an event called Daily Scrum, or it is also known as Daily Stand-Up Meeting. So this meeting helps them to understand what all things are going on and what all issues they are facing. They actually discuss with each other and they try to come up with some solution. And at the end of the sprint, the team, the product owner, the scrum master, they come together and they conduct a sprint review meeting. As part of sprint review meeting, we know that these all team members, they will be inspecting the increment to understand whether it is giving the required functionality. And after sprint review meeting, the team will conduct sprint retrospective meeting. This meeting is also conducted at the end of sprint after sprint review to understand if we need any changes in any of the processes or any of the tools that we are using. So basically, for example, if we need any effective interaction kind of stuff, and if we feel that current interactions are not effective, so we may come up with some new tools of communication within the team and to communicate with other stakeholders. So these are the kind of stuff that we discuss as part of sprint retrospective meeting. And in this meeting we actually discuss, or the team actually discusses, what went wrong in the last sprint and what all things went well, and if there was some problem in the last sprint, then how we can improve that. So these are few of the questions that are addressed as part of sprint retrospectives meeting, which helps team to improve on their processes, tools, interactions, and stuff. So this is all about Scrum cycle, and I think it is pretty much clear to you how Scrum works and how typically a Scrum cycle looks like. So here we have studied one sprint. Similarly, the team has to repeat this process, or they have to conduct multiple sprints or iterations to come up with a complete product. If it is clear to you, you please write down in the comment box, it is clear. Yeah. Bye until then.